Kev G, weather overview. How you doing? Last day of March, and this is the radar as it looks at 9:30 this morning. And there's this fast-moving line of showers that's getting ready to move through with a cold front. And this line of showers, it looked a little bit disorganized a few hours ago, but now it's starting to get its act together. And there are some embedded heavier areas of rain, but it's a skinny line of showers. It's going to move through quick. And, in any one place, it'll probably last, an hour at most. And, this line is really moving along. And you can see on the backside of this frontal boundary, we've got snow in western New York and in southeast Canada on the last day of March 2019. So when this front goes through, our temperatures are going to come down, and we're going to have strong gusty winds. Here are the temperatures right now. I expect that these are going to be the highs for the day. You can see it's quickly heating up, so to speak. Areas west of the city, we got a 64-degree reading there. But then, as you get towards the coast, that ocean wind is taking its toll, and that's why our temperatures are like 10 degrees lower than that along the south-facing shores. And anytime you have that this time of year, a wind off the water, you're going to knock those temperatures down. The Atlantic is simply too cool right now. That'll change over the next 6 to 8 weeks with the natural progressions of the seasons. But all in all, anytime you get a wind off the water like that, it's gonna knock those temps down, especially along the coast and south-facing beaches. So, the natural progression of this front is going to be very quick. The big deal behind this front is the falling temperatures and the strong winds, and I think we'll have a period where for 18 to 24 hours we'll have winds that are going to be kind of on the elevated side. And tonight will feel very chilly with temperatures in the 30s as this front goes by. This is all courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And you can see the lines of equal pressure across the northeast part of the United States. They're all tightly packed together. And this stays the same through Monday. And that's indicative of the model trying to show you that it's still windy around here for the majority of the day. But then high pressure starts to build in by Monday night into Tuesday. And those winds are going to invariably slacken off. And then we watch this storm system that comes through the southeast part of the United States by Tuesday night into Wednesday, and it's going to be intense. But it looks like it goes off the coast without really bothering us. I think areas near the coast might get a little bit windy, and there might be some cloud cover the further south and east you go for Wednesday into Wednesday night. But other than that, this storm really doesn't seem to bother us. Our next chance of rain looks like it moves through around Friday night into early Saturday morning. And that'll give us a good area of a half inch to an inch of rain probably. But then something interesting happens behind this front as opposed to the one that we have now. And that is that our winds, they're not that strong, and they're from a westerly direction. So a mild, nice weekend is in store, it looks like, for the first weekend of April as this high pressure starts to take control for the weekend. And when we take a look at Weather Underground, this is not a bad look to open up April. Saturday, it's a little bit deceiving because I think that the area of rain is gone by noon Saturday. So most of Saturday is perfectly fine. Sunday looks very nice with temperatures near 60. And even during the week, once we get out of the cool temperatures for Monday, we start to quickly moderate. And so by the time we hit Wednesday, assuming that storm stays far enough offshore, which it probably will, we're looking at, upper 50s to low 60s. So not a bad way to start April 2019.